When it comes to home improvement, few upgrades make as much impact as a well-installed door. A quality door enhances security, improves energy efficiency, and gives your home a polished, welcoming look. But just as important as the door itself is who installs it. For homeowners in Milton, working with local door installation experts is the key to achieving lasting, high-quality results. Local professionals understand the unique character of Milton's homes, from its charming historic neighborhoods to modern new builds, and bring craftsmanship, reliability, and regional know-how to every project. Here's why hiring local experts ensures your door installation stands the test of time. Local knowledge means a perfect fit for Milton homes. Every region has its own climate challenges, and Milton's New England weather can be tough on doors. Cold winters, humid summers, and sudden temperature shifts can all affect how well a door performs over time. Local installers understand these seasonal factors and know which materials perform best under these conditions. They'll recommend durable, weather-resistant doors, such as fiberglass, steel, or insulated wood, that resist warping, swelling, and energy loss. Because they're familiar with local home styles and construction methods, they can also ensure your new door complements your home's design, whether it's a classic colonial, Cape style, or a modern renovation. That combination of local expertise and aesthetic understanding results in a door that looks beautiful and functions flawlessly year-round. Proper installation for long-term durability. Even the highest quality door can underperform if installed incorrectly. Gaps, misalignment, or poor sealing can lead to drafts, water leaks, or uneven wear, all of which shorten your door's lifespan. Local Milton professionals take precise measurements, use proper tools, and follow proven installation techniques to ensure your door fits perfectly. They know how to account for New England's humidity and seasonal expansion, ensuring smooth operation even as temperatures change. By hiring local experts, you're investing in craftsmanship that guarantees your door stays secure, energy efficient, and low maintenance for years to come. Compliance with local building codes and standards. Massachusetts has specific building codes designed to ensure homes remain safe, energy efficient, and storm-ready. Local door installation companies are well versed in these regulations, ensuring every installation meets or exceeds local standards. From energy efficiency ratings to insulation requirements and safety guidelines, local professionals handle the technical details for you. This not only keeps your home compliant but also protects your investment should you decide to sell, since proper documentation and code compliance can enhance resale value. Personalized service and attention to detail. When you choose a local Milton expert, you're not just hiring a contractor, you're partnering with a professional who values community relationships. Local installers take pride in their reputation and rely on word-of-mouth referrals, so customer satisfaction is always their top priority. They'll take the time to understand your goals, budget, and style preferences, guiding you through every step of the process. From selecting the right materials and finishes to ensuring a clean, efficient installation, local professionals deliver personalized service that larger, out-of-town companies simply can't match. This attention to detail means your project isn't just completed, it's completed perfectly. Ongoing support and maintenance. One of the biggest advantages of working with local experts is their long-term reliability. If you ever need adjustments, maintenance, or upgrades, your installer is just a short drive away. You won't be left waiting weeks for service from a big box provider. Local companies often provide warranties and follow-up visits to ensure your door continues to perform as expected. Their ongoing support gives you peace of mind, knowing you have a trusted professional ready to assist whenever needed. Strengthening the Milton community. By working with local door installation professionals, you're also supporting Milton's small business community. Local companies reinvest in the area, hire local workers, and contribute to the town's economy. In return, you receive quality workmanship from experts who genuinely care about their neighbors' satisfaction in homes. It's a win-win. Your home gains value and comfort, while your community grows stronger. Final thoughts for homeowners in Milton. The difference between a door that simply looks good and one that performs beautifully for decades often comes down to who installs it. Local experts bring the experience, precision, and personal care needed to deliver long-lasting results tailored to the area's climate and architectural style. By trusting your home to Milton's door installation professionals, you're not just improving your entryway, you're investing in craftsmanship, reliability, and lasting peace of mind. With their help, your home will stay secure, efficient, and elegant through every season.